Cars 3. I think it's the best movie in the world. All of us says that all the time. Oh, alright, Iceberg, I'm gonna jump. Don't jump. Whee! Yay! Piggyback ride. Get off me. Not only can I see you, but I can hear you. You're staying in the trash. Someone help me. First of all, this episode's really short. Second, can someone please help me out?